Hello friends, good morning everyone. I am Praveen Das and today's topic is the CFR Code of the Federal Regulations and Regulations of the Europe and European country. CFR means Code of Federal Regulations. It is first codifications of the rules and regulations published in Federal Registry of the Federal Government of USA, and these are considered as a binding of the court law. The CFR is divided into 50 titles. Each chapter consists of the 50 chapters and sections. Each chapter revised or title revised once every calendar year. The annual update cycles for various titles as follows. The title 1 to 16 updated on the 1 January, and the title 17 to 27 updated on the 1 April. The title 28 to 41 updated on the 1 July, and the title 42 to 50 updated on the 1 October. These are the 50 titles, and the title 21 governs the rules and regulations of the Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Acts. The title 21 is divided into three chapters. Chapter 1, the base up to Food and Drug Cosmetic Acts. Chapter 2, Drug Enforcement Agency, and Chapter 3, ONDP means Office of National Drug Control Policy. The laws for the regulatory Europe and US. For the Europe, the headquarters of USFDA is located in the Thailand, and the Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Act 1938. The US Congress passed the Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Act can be found in the United States. The following elixir sulfanylamide tragedy. The evidence of safety and new prayers to the granting markets, issue of standard for the food, and conduct factory inspections for the inspection, and keep our Harris amendments in 1962. Amendments happens after the thalidomide tragedy. The regulations reporting to the pharmacovigilance are following sections: 21 CFR 310.305. This particular federal law under the Title 21. After that, Title 21 310.305 records and reports of the marketed person planned drug for the human use, and the CFR 21 CFR 314.18 human drugs with the approved NDA, 21 CFR .33 investigational new drug safety, and 21 CFR 314.98 approved humans drugs ANDAs. The 21 CFR 600.18 human biological product with appearance biological license. For Europe, the regulatory scenario in European region or the Union is different than the United States America. Pharmaceutical companies were required effectiveness of the medicinal product before the launch or introduced into the markets, and also report side effects after that. The post marketing After that, evidence of effectiveness has to be based well designed clinical studies, and study subjects were required to give their informed consent to give the 180 days to appear new drugs allowed to the FDA to set goal manufacturing practices and the regulations. The FDA is authorized to create regulations. The regulations and rules are issued by FDA under the power of the laws, and the current regulation in force European /1235/2010 and Directive 2010/89/Europe. Apart from these commission, CUSO implemented regulations EC 520/2012 for the performance of the pharmacovigilance, that are all about related to the CFR and regulations of the Europe and US. Thank you.